I'm Santa.
Good morning, everyone. Look at my outfit for today. This is my gift for student government. I was gonna drop it off, but the door is locked, so I'm just gonna go to chemistry class to study. I'll see you guys there. Bye. Yeah, we're in all white. Yeah. Even the shoes. Yeah, even the shoes. Hello. Good. So cute. So cute.
I'm
We're
really
so
looking
cute.
forward for pajama day.
Oh, pajama day, yeah.
Wishing you a wonderful holidays
And a happy new year.
Oh wait.
Okay, good.
And then I enjoyed her. Two pasta. Yeah.
Her favorite peer tutor. I've been tutored literally 3 of her classes, okay?
You had Mary and not Sophie.
Okay, if you want photos in the dark, now's your chance, but I'm going to turn them back on just so they work. Wait.
What is this?
Oh, that's so cute. What is it? Oh.
It's so cute. Look. It's so cute.
Is it live?
Is this your... Oh, that's actually cute. They're so long. They're so long. That's really good material.
And then it dips hard at things like the Polar Express.
On Christmas Eve, many years ago, I lay quietly in my bed and did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and
Look at this. Bye-bye. I'm gonna work on my, what is this? Chemistry homework. I don't know what to do. It's my first time to skip, so we'll see. Bye bye. I'm on my way to school, and it's currently 12:11. Look at my outfit for today. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, let's unbox this. And I'm so hungry now. Show your Christmas set.
Hi. I'm Santa this year.
Yes. What is this called?
I don't know the English word.
Okay. Oh, they're not. Oh, they are here.
There.
You are? What? Regular. Regular. Are you vlogging again? Yes. Is that a Kit Kat? Yes. Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you. I gave only some of my friends.
I feel so special.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're one of them.
Wow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi!
Can I come in?
Sure.
Una diplomática que no hace más que sentarse a hablar mientras los guerreros viven aventuras épicas. En serio, necesito que mis hermanos tengan misiones épicas y yo tenga que quedarme encerrada en un palacio porque,
Yeah.
porque soy una princesa.
It's my turn.
Eee, snowing.
So cool.
It's so cool.
It is cool.
Hey, Pupe. Pupe. We are all wonderful, beautiful, imperfect. This is not my name.
Totally not.
No.
E?
Look at that. It's so pretty, right? Okay. Today is Saturday, first day of my winter vacation of 2021. Yay. I got 4 candles from Bath and Body Works. And I'm going home. I'm so tired. I'm not really tired, but just, you know.
I'm kind of sick of these ones because I ate these. You're like, I don't. Well, then why'd you get it?
My plate is.
I hate saying no to people when there's a lot of food here. Like no way. We're missing like half of us.
I know, like what? Why?
Just for you, Maggie. God. Yeah, all for Maggie. You're gonna get so much sugar. Maggie's so great.
Oh my goodness! Answer, is it correct? Yo! Synergy! Synergy!
There's no question mark.
Hi. I'm going home. I'm so full. I changed into jeans because I couldn't sit and I couldn't breathe. Okay. Got this. No entry. Working day, I'm so tired. Hey, good morning. My bangs are that as usual, and it's currently 8:37. Hey guys! Oh, I forgot my watch somewhere in my pocket. Anyway, it's Christmas Eve today. I'm waiting for my uncle to pick me up. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Today's my lunch with miso soup. I already ate 1 shrimp.